Welcome to a slightly more entertaining version of answering random questions we weren't asked on the internet. Allow me to introduce the cast.
Janice, I'm Holly. I'm Nora.
What size luggage can I bring and where can I store my luggage after I unpack in such a small room? 1 bag per person on a 3 to 5 day, and 2 bags per person on a 6 day or longer. Each bag should weigh no more than 50 pounds and not exceed 16 inches in height and 24 inches wide. We fit 3 large and 2 small suitcases under 2 twin-size beds pushed together to make a king size. Here are a few extra notes to keep in mind. Check luggage requirements if you have another mode of travel in addition to the cruise. Airline luggage requirements may differ from the cruise line. Luggage tags can be printed during your online check-in. Bonus tip: get clear plastic luggage tags covers to avoid damage lost of your printed tags. Did you know Carnival allows you to bring on non-alcoholic canned beverages, 12 per person? You can carry the boxed 12 pack or put the cans in a small 12 by 12 by 12 size bag cooler. All drinks are by carry-on only. You can find all the ship you'll need to get ready for your next cruise in our Amazon store. Ship you need. And as always, please don't forget to like and follow.